Maintain it, stay the same and maintain it. Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Stay the lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open.
Here you go. Oh my. Y'all, I'm late as fuck. Like, it is 9:33 and I'm supposed to be at school at 9:20. If I look cute, I think I look cute. I thought it could have looked better with my edges, but my edges is in the braid, so that's why I couldn't do my edges, because my edges are all in the braid. And I do not want to, you know, hurt myself pulling on it. And I got my earrings right here. I told y'all that my Cap&Gown appointment is at 11:40, and it's, what is that? Oh, it's not doing the car. But yeah, my appointment is at 11:40, so I got time until my what you call it, my pictures, but I just gotta look at my second vlog. I'll get back with y'all in a few. Today, I ain't see you all day. And why you not in class? What is it? Honey bun? You must be hungry.
Yes, ma'am. Just give me a bite.
Oh, I know that feel good. Yeah. Oh, that little stretch. Oh, what a cap. She got a cap. Lexi. No, Lexi. She left. Where she put the cap at?
She put it right here.
Oh. No,
Is this it?
yeah, I think so. You want your shirt? Sure. So I can. Yes, bro. She gonna be like, show the She said that? Yeah. Show the A. You want these braids to be in there? Like a few.
I'm gonna put it on and then we can fix your braids. Grab it that side there. You want your hair on the side? So you can see it in the picture?
Yeah. Show it like that? Yeah. Some more braids. Just do all of it. Yeah, we gotta graduate. I'm ready too. Like, are you so cute?
I'm not playing with it.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm surprised I would have. That's surprised the shirt not showing. It's so good. My shirt looks so good.
My shirt was showing in my picture.
And it's supposed to be this way, right?
Yeah, on the left side.
Y'all might go to my pictures. Yeah. For the YouTube channel. Oh, my bad. Oh, she's so pretty. I like all of them.
Yep.
It's that pimple. You can remove
that one. I don't edit these.
It's the pimple.
We can pick one favorite though.
Huh? No, it was from the table. What we doing? Wait, I think we all left a pin.
Please tell her you can curl somebody's hair if they're moving.
Yeah, you can't curl nobody's hair when it's moving. Big.
Hurry up, sweetheart.
Sweetheart.
Chill out.
Leave her alone.
We get a video?
Why do you feel like that today, bro?
Escalation.
We just took our Cap&Gown pictures.
Yeah, girl. Oh my god.
I gotta retake mine.
Your thing was not turned?
Yes.
It was like that in your banner. Oh, you give it?
Yo. This Jaylyn shit?
Bitch, shut the fuck up. Don't piss me off.
Oh my god, so rude. Hey, this Jaylyn shit? Jaylyn, this your vlog?
Yeah.
Take over Jaylyn, bro.
8.
Watch out. AM.
Mm-hmm.
Y'all, don't mind my little leave out. Oh, I like her hair. But let me see.
Zachariah.
Make sure y'all follow me.
Jaylyn?
Yeah.
How you spell it? Z-A-C-H?
Jaylyn is like the school celebrity, period. Don't play with her. Don't play with us, because we all about to graduate, period. Class of 2024. 24, do it better, period. And follow me.
This gonna know her YouTube is. Probably, most likely.
Yeah, I'm about 5'11".
He looks at the whole iPad.
Take the whole iPad. Y'all, we taking over Jaylyn shit.
And I don't know why.
Oh shit, got the game with me now. Got the game with me. Chris. What up, nigga? Hey, you better post this. You better post this.
I am.
Yeah. Smoking switch.
I'm trying to figure out how that cap will fit on your You want me to write it? You just finished? Huh? You just finished? Yeah.
Little brown.
It's
a little brown.
Cute.
Yeah, it is.
Cause yeah, like.
How you expect a cap to fit on your head?
You say that shit though. It fit.
Shit.
I hit my dog, bro.
I didn't take this off. No.
Okay.
What kind of gun, nigga? I don't know why you got it. I don't know why you got it. It's not a tripping down. What the fuck would you got?
I don't know how to do that shit.
Imagine if it was this group of people that was
Extra. Why you wrote
It was obvious.
Y'all would have been in trouble. Yeah.
We would have been flipped the bus around.
Y'all probably would have made her change her mind.
I'm saying.
You've already. In the bag. In the cut with my twin.
Did one
Vlogging for 37 seconds.
No, I had it longer than that.
Why does shit make you look? This shit make your face look better. Is it a filter? Guys, she's catfish in person, bro. She's cat. Look, she's catfish.
Tell Christian and get ready.
She's catfish.
What the fuck I'm not, nigga. I'm fine as fuck. Stop playing with me. Fuck out.
Take your picture. So go to
Bow.
Hey,
You said I look better on the camera. Don't play with me.
Cheap niggas make you pee. Rich niggas get you bought. Gave a Bentley to ballet and let that nigga dry the boat. Let me pop off. Leave the club sloppy drunk, come home and get my rocks off. Her bitch from the south, he tryna see me knock his socks off. Told them bitches meet me at the top, think they got lost. I'm on go like Grizz. She thought I would kiss her ass, she must ain't took a mess. Shit around my nigga, cost her arm and leg. Swear that nigga set for life, I let him give me prick. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she's got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I done it all, feel like shot it low. Laughing to the pain, but shit is not a joke. Say she got a pop, imaginary smoke. Bitch, you set it up, then put it on the floor. I don't know what y'all been told. Bitch, your mans know if you don't, what's happening? Smoking on that gas, blunt, biggest color rate. Bitches like to run they mouth, but I'm the type to run a face.
Alright, so y'all, I just got finished making the rotel dip, and y'all, it came out so good. And my mama tasted it, and she said it tastes good. So now I know how to make rotel dip. So if y'all want me to make some rotel dip for y'all, holla at me. Holla at me. Stop. But yeah, so now I'm gonna go wash and take a shower because y'all, it is last time I checked. Dang, I don't even bring my iPad here. The iPad's in the room charger or whatnot. Actually, I could brought it in here. Actually, I'm gonna bring it in. Like I said, y'all, now it's 10:10, and basically she wants to be at the house. I guess like around 11. I guess around 11. So I'm about to get in the shower, do what I gotta do, you know, all the extras, and then I might consider doing makeup, depending on how I feel. But I don't need no makeup. I just put some lashes and call it a. Might just do that because my face, I don't know, because I feel like part of me feel like my face might get wet and part of me feel like my face is not gonna get wet. But I don't know. But I'm about to get in the shower. I'm gonna get back with y'all when I get a shower.
I didn't know y'all was out here.
Who is this man? Who is this man?
Hey, Lil, who's man? I just see
I'm just doing all kinds of things today.
so cute.
Not in here yet.
Wow, look at it. Hey, girl, you're so cute.
Thank you.
Okay. Bro, this big behind temple. Do your edges, that is cute.
Thank you.
Yo, I don't like my hair. What is my hair? Oh no, I'm gonna use some of my
These two like this right here is not a. Yeah.
I told her that. It looks fun. I threw the party of the century, and people came over, no one left sober, and it was all for you. It was all for you.
No, we gotta go down still. Is there steps down there, y'all? Yeah, baby. I'm gonna need you to carry this bag. Me and Katie gotta look over here.
I see him. Damn, leave me. I'm about to put my Crocs on.
Looking like a snack, baby. Hey, booty beat. Hey, 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 hey. Look at them booty cheeks. Look at booty meat. Hey, 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 hey. Weave down my back, niggas staring at my ass. Shitting on these hoes. I love to make them triple as your jeans. Ass fat in them pants. Get it big, sexy, every time I do my dance. Niggas tryna fuck, but I don't need a man. Shake that ass. Shake that ass. Shake that ass. You can't even fake it. Got that nigga nuttin' and I think it's desperation. Shake that ass, bitch. Make them hoes mad. Show me how you fuck your baby dad. Yeah, 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 bitch. Shake that ass. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I hate a lame bitch.
I'm about to draw on the beach. And oh, okay, that's cute. Make it deeper, like in the middle. Ew.
Bro, you see that big ass shit, boy?
This nigga got a fish.
What the fuck?
Oh shit!
Oh shit!
Oh, look at him! Wait! I wanna do it! Come here! Come here! Come here!
They do that. Them shit smart. They gonna think we trying to grab it or something.
Here.
We're gonna fucking bury it.
Here you go. Oh my god!
I wanna get
Yo, this is person.
Oh shit!
Oh, he got it! Oh, you see that? You see that?
hold in your hand? Oh, hell no. Yo, why they want to take this shit?
I want it to run. What if she got bigger
I swear to God, they
can't see it.
Pass you, 1250. You leaving the club, we ain't stepping in no light. You gotta pay the price. Left wrist on froze, three little bag of ice. And I lane switching. Big song instead of straight business. Niggas say yeah. Jury banging. Yeah. She said, look, ma, no hands, ain't no dollar. I don't dance, and I'm a Roscoe. I went Roscoe. I think I deserve a chance. I'm a bad